Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Check out this beautiful two-tone, full leather Model 3 armrest cover. We're very excited. We finally got a nice, beautiful, padded armrest that's going to add such a great two-tone look to your car, especially if you've got a lot of black and white. So take a look at my Model 3 here. You can see the center console I've got in here. It's all black and white. The steering wheel, carbon fiber. The trim, everything is black and white, carbon fiber and white. So let's show you how this fits on. It is very snug, so we want to show you the best way to install it. First thing is put your seats all the way back, because you're going to need to get to the full back side of the armrest as well as the front. So you're going to need the passenger seat all the way back, tilted back, and it fits perfect, and boy, it smells good. So this is all real leather. It's not urethane. This is a white drum dyed leather, as well as the black leather with the padding in the center. Okay, now the first thing we need everyone to realize is the back is wider than the front in terms of the cover. So when you stretch it like this, and it's about 8 inches wide, this is the back piece. It's going to fit right around the back edge. The front edge is going to fit like in the earlier photos where it's not as wide, but it's going to reach over and around. So let's get started and show you how easily this goes on. So just take the Velcro off and then verify you have the wider piece, which is the back, and then open it up. Now this is the only tricky part of the whole installation, because you have to put this over and you have to grab it around the side. So just simply slide it on like this, and it's really a smart idea to stretch the elastic in the bottom. So see how this fits right around the bottom like this? Stretch it, and then while you're holding on to it, pull it all the way to the top, around the top area, and pull the sides down. It should fit like a glove, or like a nice, great pair of shoes. And it will stretch and give because it's all real leather. So we're really excited about this. So put it all the way down, and then the black trim should be underneath, and then the Velcro is going to pull this snug and tight, and then we're going to pull it left and right. So you see how the fitment is on the top here, where this fits the handle. So the front is narrower like this, so you can see how your handle is still reachable. All right, so now we're going to check the fitment before we lock the Velcro down. And I can see this needs to be pulled down like this, so it's squared up nice. Same thing on the other side. The handle is good. So let's put the first piece of Velcro down. If you have our Kleenex box, you'll find this is very compatible with it. And just pull the Velcro over and Velcro across like that. And now we have the top and the bottom here. Same thing. Pull it nice and snug, and then close it. So we're going to take a look at how we got to adjust it just to pull it nice and tight. First will be installed. The second one yesterday came out perfect after it was allowed to stretch a little bit. So don't worry about any areas. But see this, pull this Velcro here, hold it, pull this Velcro here, and then join it just like that. The Kleenex box, I like to just take the top lid off. That way you still have access to your tissues, because Kleenex is a brand. And pull this nice and snug. Put the Velcro down. And then let's give it a fitment test here. Boy, it looks great. Nice and padded and thick for your elbows, and it sure protects everything, and it adds a lot of white to the car. You know, if you have white interior, this is going to be a huge hit. We're going to sell this in full leather black. We're going to sell it full black white leather, and then of course this is our two-tone look. So again, this is in stock, black and white. The white on black will be in stock later in the month, right after Christmas. But isn't that beautiful? Thanks again. and it sure fits great. And if you want to make adjustments to like maybe a little wrinkle or a little spot that's not laying down nice, just pull it over and tighten the Velcro on this side. Make this a little bit tighter. So that's snug. Pull this down, cross them over. It sure looks great. If you have black and white on the back, it matches real nice with our cover for the back seat. Thanks again for checking out our videos. We appreciate it. And don't forget, we have this 20% off special running through Christmas. So use this promo code for 20% off any order, and all orders over $100 get 20% off automatically. Thanks again for checking out our beautiful products here at RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Happy holidays, and thank you again.